offset dot top, then dollar progress bar dot css. What I am to apply? Width comma progress percent plus the symbol, then dot text progress percent plus symbol. Okay, then close this, close this, close this. Why it is not applying to this? This is applied here. Okay, but this is not getting applied here. Just a minute. I just copy that and paste it here. Let me see. Okay, you can see that. Now let me refresh the page, and you can see that now each having 1%. But once I move my scroll down, see, web development 80%, Python programming 80%, data science 60%. But this two will not get filled because I don't have much more space to scroll down. If I add another one section below this section, then we get filled this two. Okay. This is the achieve your goal with SETI completed. Next, we will see this one. This is completely jQuery. Like I have applied the jQuery here. You can see that. Let me refresh. See, the countdown start and finish. Here I have used a specific jQuery library, and I will show you how to use that specific jQuery library. First, we will design this part. Here, project work. Let me first create a section class, project work. Inside the section, I just use one div and give the class container, and this is heading. You can also write without, I have created two containers here. You can also use one container like the previous project. And in this container, I have only one paragraph, and that paragraph is this one. And this paragraph I want font weight bold. That's why I just use class font weight bold. Then create another one container. Class container. Here I will tell you without using row how can we get these columns. Normally what we are doing, normally we are creating a container class, then inside that container class we have a row class, then inside the row class we have the call class like call md6, call md12 like that. Then in this case we must use the call md3 because we need 4 columns. Okay, that is the traditional way we can use it. I will show you another one simplest way because here I need only one heading and one paragraph. That's why I am going to use the simplest way. Okay. First, let me write justify content around, then align items center. You can also do all this thing in CSS, but here I am writing the styles in HTML itself using the Bootstrap predefined class. Okay. See, this is my container div. In this container div, how many div you need? 4 div. Okay. That's why I just first write first div. In the first div, you have a h1 and one paragraph. h1. In h1, I just write the value 495 and I just give a class to this because we are going to count down that. That's why I just give a class count. Then I have a paragraph and my paragraph detail is this. Let me write web development. Okay. Then this div I need 4 times and the 3 times. Okay. Second number is 395 and this is Android programming. Third number is 295 and data science and machine learning. Data science and machine learning. Then 415 industry workshops. String. See, it looks like something like this. See, like this. But I want to how in a row. Then what we need to do? Simply here after the container, just write deflex and see the magic. Okay, is change columns to row. Without using row, we can create this design. If you want to create it using that system, you can do it. But in this case, we don't want that. That's why we just simply create using the deflex. And now you can also see that this Android programming progress bar also get completed because we have the section now. Now let me again load this. Now you can see that once I move my mouse down, the progress bar will get filled. Okay. Now in this section, first I am going to apply the styles. Then we will see how to apply the jQuery. This part is completed. Here, project. Okay. In this case, we have done lot of styling in HTML itself. That's why in CSS we are not going to write much more styles. Only simple. First, we have to give a style to the section. That's why my section class name is project work. And here I am just simply giving margin from top and bottom 2 rem and right and left 0. Okay. And I need to style this h1. Okay. Then dot project work h1. What I need to change? Simply font size 2 rem and text align. Okay. You can see the font size get changed. That's it. I'm not going to apply other styles. If you want to apply the styles, if you want to change the color, if you want to change the font size, then you can do it. Okay. Then I'm going to apply the jQuery because I need this countdown. Okay. To get this countdown, simply we need two jQuery libraries. One is waypoint jQuery serial, waypoint jQuery serial. Okay. You need this library. You can directly copy from here and paste it in your index.html. And the second jQuery library you need counter op. This jQuery library. Okay. I have already copied this to jQuery library. I simply take it from here and paste it. Once you have this jQuery library, then there is only 2 lines you need to write to get that countdown. Then what are that 2 lines? After script here, I just write for countdown. What I need to write? Dollar. My class name is dot count. Actually, my class name is count. Though it is a class, that's why we are using dot. Dot counter op. Then here I am going to giving the delay of 10 millisecond and the countdown will complete in 3 seconds. Okay, that's what time is 3 seconds, 3000 milliseconds. See here. See, it works. Suppose here I am giving 10,000 means 10 seconds. Here, this is now you can see that it will take 10 seconds to complete. Okay. You can change the value according to your need. Okay, if you want to complete it very quickly, you just give the less time. If you want to complete it very fast, you just give the more time. Then this part also we have completed. Just see here, in this part I have used only the underline, but if you want that type of effect, then again you can use the pseudo class. And this is the course and instructor, contact us and map. This we will see in the next class. For today class, we see three things. First, we have seen how to style this particular section and how to apply this transition effect on the image. Then apply the jQuery and how to how to design this section and how to apply the color. Here I have used the background color. If you want, you can also use the background image, like just like in the previous project. In previous project I have applied lot of background image. That's why in this project I avoid to use the background image. But if you want to use the background image, then you can do that. Okay. Then this is the very simplest way to use the jQuery counter up. Okay. And the one thing I want to tell that, like, this is my project and this is in English. You want to see this project in different language. Then by using only HTML, you cannot change the language. Okay. Like you have to write, you have to create the JSON file. Then in JSON file you have to keep all the translation. Then you have to add the JSON file to get the conversion. But Google having one extension, that is the Google Translate. You will get that extension by writing here Google Translate extension. Just write extension. Okay. Then for which browser you need the extension, in that you just install that extension in that browser. Suppose I click here, I have already applied this extension in my Chrome browser. That's why it is showing the remove from Chrome. Okay. If you want to apply this extension in IE, then you can apply it. If you want to apply this extension on the Firefox, then you can add it. Once you add the extension, then this website, I want to change this language to Arabic. Then click on that extension, okay, Google Translate. Translate this page. Okay. Translate to which language I want to translate? Arabic. Okay. You can see that it translates to Arabic. Okay. The complete thing translate to Arabic. And you can, once you mouse over, you can see the original text. Okay. Original text is this and it has translated to that. And here also you can see translation, whatever it can translate, it is keeping that in English. But everything get translated perfectly. Okay. If you want to translate, suppose I want to translate to Hindi, then it get translated to Hindi. Okay. Once you mouse over, it will show that this is the original text and this is the translation. Okay. You can translate to any language from here. The complete web page will get translated. Then I want to keep the original. This is the original and close this. Okay. In this way, you can translate your web page directly. This is the browser compatible, means browser provide this extension. In which browser you want to open, in that browser you have to add that extension, and your web page can be translated to that particular language. Okay, then in the next class we will see how to create this section. In this section, the important thing that we will see that, just see, when I click all courses, all the cards, basically I have used card here, and when I click all the cards I got. When I click data science, I am getting that data science card. When I click data analytics, I am getting that data analytics card. Means what I have used, basically I have used the filter here. Okay, again we are going to use a jQuery. Okay, but we are using the filter to filter our data. Then here, once I move my mouse over the image, I got this effect, and I have the social icon of that particular instructor. Okay, once you click that social icon, then it will redirect you to that particular site. Then we will see how to create this contact us, and I will tell you how to add the map. The last part is footer, which is more or less same like what we have done in the previous project. That's why there is no changes in the footer that much. And this also we have done in previous project. Okay. Okay, then we will see this thing in the next class. Today class I'm completing here. Bye. See you on next class.